Why do in all my videos I look like I just woke up? Because I just did. I'm back with my 9 presents to 999. So, as usual, I ran out of content. Wait, my track pant has holes in it. So I came through a lot of tier ranking videos. I thought, what should I tier rank? And I thought one thing I actually am interested in is Disney. I love Disney. I love. So as my validation and my opinion is important, or if you deny, I will shove it down your throat. I thought, why not make a tier ranking video for Disney characters, because I like judging. Let us start the judging, because judging is fun. Okay, first I just want to show you guys the categories that we have. The first one is the top tier, the best. Like, they are the it people of the industry. She is the it girl of the industry. He is the it boy of the industry. And second we have I like you, have a cupcake. The Instagram reel, the TikTok sound, like, which is I like you, have a cupcake. I like you, have a cupcake. Yeah, that we'll come to the AO part later, but like, these are that people, like, you like them, you might give them a cupcake. And third we have, okay, they don't hurt me physically, mentally, or emotionally, so I don't mind them existing. At the same time, they don't do much, so okay. And then we have chi. Chi is the reaction for disgust. Like, it's like ew in Tamil. But I think chi is more stronger than ew, and so I'm going to just go with chi. And fifth is all bad adjectives suit you. Like, they are like all bad adjectives suit them, like suit you. I just want to be subtle and gentle. I want to have this gentle beginning, not be that ferocious, and bring out all my toxicity into all these non-existent characters. So let's go with someone like, I'm gonna go with Balu. Balu is the bear friend of Mowgli. Not that much of an irritating character actually. And he's actually a very good friend. When Mowgli was captivated by all these orangutans, when Mowgli was captured by all these monkeys in this temple, Balu went inside with Bagheera to save Mowgli, which is amazing, okay? He was a good friend. I like him. He deserves a cupcake. Oh my gosh, no, not Chi. You're not Chi. Wait. Ooh. Wait. Ooh. You go up, you. And second we have. No. I wanted to go gentle, but like, we have characters like Anna. Okay, like, I just can't process on how dumb Anna is. Like, she fell for Hans, and that's one of the main reasons why Hans kidnapped Elsa. Anna is dumb. Bye. As I want to be gentle, as I told, I'm gonna put her in she categories. I really wanted to go gentle, but why is this is here? I really wanna go gentle. I'm not gonna go with Ariel. Like, all these characters trigger my homicidal thoughts. Let's do something good now. Let's do Merida, because Merida is her. Merida is the it girl of the industry. Like she is my favorite. Like, the story is just so beautiful. It's so perfect. It's so amazing. Brave is such an amazing movie. It's one of my favorite movies. She was being such a brilliant girl, and then we had like amazing character development for Merida. She's just a normal girl with normal desires. She doesn't want to get married in a young age, and that is why she did all those rebellious stuff. It's not like the perfect stereotypical girl you'll want a princess to be, but yeah, we stand Merida, okay? I love Merida. Just now I talked about a red hair who is amazing, brave and talented and all that, and we have this. Like, look at your face. Look at your face. Look at your body. I just have no words to describe this girl. Like, all bad adjectives suit you, Ariel. Like, honestly, you gave up your voice, your family, you gave up your kingdom. Like, you were a princess, still gave up everything and went for a man who would leave you to almost marry disguised woman who is almost an octopus. You just gave up everything. You did not use your brain. Like, girl, I can see like the intention. You would do anything for love and something and all that. Sorry, you're such a disappointment. We just talked about Ariel. Wasn't that enough? And now we have like the beast. Honestly, I have no words. He's a kidnapper and he's acting this resentful only because he turned into a beast. Well, I don't care. Yeah, like, you know what's the definition of a good person? Who, whatever might hurt you, you're gonna be good. And we have Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear is a sweetheart. Just a good Woody's friend, okay? And like, I love enemies to friends. I love the trope. Should I keep him in I Like You Have a Cupcake? You know what? Maybe he is the it boy of the industry. I'm just going to be generous today, okay? And we have Cinderella. This might turn out to be a surprise, but like, I like Cinderella. She did take a very good decision. She used to live in this dungeon talking to rats, and she was just being kind, and like this godmother came and she's like, what do you want? And then she's like, a dress. Then there's this prince who comes, hey, nice shoes. Yes, I know, right? Would you like to marry or something? I am down. And they get married and now she's almost the next queen. Good for you, girl. I like you. Have a cupcake. And we have Cruella de Vil. God. Should I have to explain who would kill animals and wear them as clothes? I can see the purpose of her character. You wanted everyone to hate her and kind of be scared of her, which was accomplished, okay? And then we have Donald Duck. Why did I put him in this? Let's put him in okay. He's just being him and his voice is annoying. But if we start criticizing people for voices, then I would look like a hypocrite because my voice is the worst. And then we have Elsa, Queen. Anna, learn from your sister, okay? Look where she is and look where you are with your dumb brain. Elsa let go of all the negativities and she just let it go. We have Flynn Rider. Oh my god. What a dream would it be to look like Flynn Rider. Like, if I could look like Flynn Rider, I would leave this real world and go to this fictional world and live as Flynn Rider. And we have Jafar. He's just, evil. His evilness does not have any purpose. He just has very generic villain intentions like, I want to rule the world, I just want to have power. Look at whom you are standing next to, Anna. Look at whom you are with. Aren't you ashamed? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
And we have Jasmine. Another it girl of the industry. You know what? I'm just putting all the girl bosses in like the it people, the top tier list. She knew something wrong was happening. Jafar was manipulating her dad or something. She just ran away out of the palace. And we have Lightning McQueen. He is kind of the it boy of the industry. He had such a good character development. I did not like Lightning McQueen this much, but like the last Cars movie came, like I love how he just passed on the legacy to the new girl who came. I don't remember her name, but he's a legend. And Cars was an end of an era. We have Maleficent. Actually, you know what? If this was like the live adaptation of Maleficent, like with Angelina Jolie, she would go right into the it people of the industry. But no, this is not the live adaptation. It's just like the cliche story where she's being an evil Maleficent that she is. She just comes to the cheap category. And then we have the beginning of Disney, the symbol of Disney himself. I like him. Mickey Mouse is just a privileged rich. He's so rich. And he has this automatic scientific, some magic thing happens and there's this clubhouse and he has Mr. Toodles to annoy him and give him free things. But still, why I like him is that he helps people with his privileges. All of his adventures are like helping people in distress. I like rich characters who help poor characters. So I like Mickey Mouse. Mike Wazowski. He again goes in the I Like You Have a Cupcake category. Like he's a sweetheart. He's a very helping friend for what is this guy's name? We have James P. Sullivan. I had no idea. Like I love Disney. Okay, like I had no idea his name was James P. Sullivan. And we have Mulan. She's okay. I kind of like Mulan. I don't know. Do I like Mulan? Let's be generous. It's not wrong. Let Donald Duck die in loneliness. I don't care. And we have Pumbaa. I like Pumbaa. Have a cupcake. I did not know he was kind of a pig. And my family also did not know. If my family knew, they would have banned me from watching Timon and Pumbaa. He had this horn as a disguise. So my family probably thought he was some cow or something. Rapunzel. Girl deserves a place. She's not like, oh my gosh, Flynn Rider, beautiful man has come to save me. She was as she should. We have Simba. Simba is okay. I don't know why he does not move me. He's okay. He does not do anything evil. He's a good character, and he's not being dumb. And we have. I'm not gonna speak enough. Just chill. I won't say there's mistake on Snow White because she's merely a child. She's like 13 to 14 years old. The plot is like very predatory. She's like, let's eat apple. And there is this prince that comes. Oh my gosh, there's this random girl in the forest. Time to kiss. Like, let's get married, and they get married, and it makes no sense. And we have our queen Tiana. I just watched Frog Princess recently. Go watch it. Like I mean it. It was so amazing to watch it after all these years. Plot was so beautiful. It was so funny. The black magic, the voodoo part they wanted to bring in. And she's the only Disney princess who has a dream, who has a job, who has a goal. Her goal is to have her own restaurant. It's amazing how she achieves it. It's just amazing, guys. And we have Mike P. Sullivan.
Mike P. Sullivan.
We have James P. Sullivan. Why doesn't he not move me that much? I guess I like him. He deserves a cupcake. We have Woody. He's just okay. I just reminded how he helped Buzz Lightyear in the first movie. You know what? I'm gonna be generous again. He deserves a cupcake. Okay, if he deserves a cupcake, even Simba deserves a cupcake because Simba was unproblematic. Let Donald Duck die of loneliness. I don't hecking care for some ugly voice. Duck, you suck. Donald Duck, more like Donald Suck. After judging 25 non-existent characters, we are here for the end of the video. I love you if you watch the video all the way through and keep coming back. If you like me judging people, should I make more tier ranking videos? Tell in the comments what I should make a tier ranking video about. Unfortunately, I'll be coming back. Until then, bye.